Okay guys, so finally I have my hands on DJI Mini 5 Pro. So this is what we all were waiting for. This is the front side of the box. You can see the DJI branding here, some detailed specification, and whatever is included in this fly mode combo. The other piece of information is this is the back side of the box, as I can see. Now let's quickly go ahead and check what is there in the box. So let me tell you that I have already unboxed this previously, so this is the second time I'm doing the unboxing. Let me show you the controller, like you can see, and again this has 3 buttons in the front: power button, more button, and our favorite return to home button. The other thing is the 2 buttons on the back. Here is the memory card slot and USB Type-C charging. Here I have one black box and ND filter, and see what types of ND filter does DJI offer with Mini 5 Pro. So number 1, I can see, if I am able to focus here, this is ND8, the other one is ND32, the other one is ND128. So these are the 3 ND filters that DJI has provided with DJI Mini 5 Pro. So what I can see, there are some spare propellers that has been given with the DJI. So overall there are 3, 4, 5 and 6 extra propellers that has been provided with the fly mode combo. See what else do we have here. This is the drone. The other one is the battery pack for the drone. This is the DJI intelligent battery, like this one that is removed 52 minutes as what DJI is claiming. And let me put this aside. So now the hero of this picture is the drone itself. So this is the drone. This is the gimbal protector, and this is a good gimbal protector. This is the 1-inch sensor, and I believe these are the LiDAR sensors on the top. Let me show you how it looks when it is unfolded, and here it is how it looks. This is the unfolded look of drone DJI 5 Pro, Mini 5 Pro, and this is how it looks like. Interesting, huh? If you just have to bend it and play, and here this is removed, easy peasy. And in the same way that you have removed this particular, you have to just press it, and anti-clockwise you have to just push it back, and this is how easy it is to install the propellers on your DJI 5 Mini Pro. So I think that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a small video. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.